Hey everybody, on this video, got a Schlage F-Series lever, got it locked here, and I want to actually get the cylinder out of it. So I'm going to use a Lishi SC1 2-in-1 pick here, and not going to bother making a key, I just want to get the cylinder out. So we'll see if we can accomplish that here. So when you're picking these F-Series, they've got the floating pin cap. Here's another F-Series cylinder. This is what we're looking at here, something like that. With the floating pin cap and kind of the weird little T-pins. And you get counter rotation on every pin, so it's almost like you're picking spools even though you're not. And I see on some of the groups and stuff that people a lot of times have trouble with these here. So we'll see if we can do a little demonstration. Focus here, so that's looking good. Alright, so I'm going to pick it clockwise because that's the unlock direction on these. And we're on 5s, we'll just start here. So 5's binding. Now when I push, to get kind of a hard stop, and you just let off tension a hair, and we're going to get a click. Okay, and we'll go to 4. Okay, 4 is binding, so let off tension a hair, we'll get a click. Go to 3. Okay, 3 is springy, we will leave it alone. 2 springy, leave it alone. 1 is binding, we'll let back off tension. Got a click. Okay, 4's set. Sorry, 5 set, 4 set. Okay, 3 is binding. Let off tension. See, it's like counter rotation, like you're picking spools. Click there. And now the last one that we haven't picked yet is 2, so it should be binding, and it is. Let off pressure hair. Get a click. And we now got it open. So that's simple. You just really got to control your tension when you're picking them, and just make sure that you you just got to just ease off of the hair while you're pushing to get that click. Too much you drop pins, but not enough the pin's not going to set. And so now we can get the cylinder out, of course. And so that's all I wanted to do, is just get it out. I got some stuff here I'm going to be sending to some Locksport people, so I'm just getting some cylinders and stuff for them. I might make keys to them, but also might not, because I'm just sending it to them to pick, and as we all know, the lock picking community doesn't need keys. So anyway, that's all I'm going to have on this video, guys. Questions, comments, leave them in the comments, and that's going to do it for now, and we will talk to everybody later.